Many people often think that housing opportunities are up to chance or luck, like rolling 2 6s. This is not how it works. A disproportionate number of incarcerated adults are racial and ethnic minorities. Statistics show African Americans and Latinxs are dramatically overrepresented in the prison population. 95% of people are eventually released from prison. Yet, upon release, many formerly incarcerated individuals, disproportionately African Americans and Latinxs, struggle in their search to find a place to call home. Discrimination can come in many different forms, such as not meeting rental criteria due to having a criminal history, or when a landlord only selectively applies criminal records policy to African American applicants. Many housing providers routinely use policies disqualifying applicants with a record of incarceration. These policies have haunting effects on individuals that may violate fair housing laws. In a game like this, it seems like all odds are against you. Project Sentinel is here to help. We have a comprehensive toolkit available. You will understand what fair housing means for people with criminal records. Some highlights will include exceptions, subsidized housing, finding housing before applying, applied and denied. Now what? Project Sentinel can assist with writing a letter that provides mitigating evidence and appeal denial, request reasonable accommodation, if applicable, to the criminal history, provide information on the administrative complaint process, and potentially represent in that process with HUD, Housing and Urban Development, or the CRD, California's Civil Rights Department. If you have been denied housing due to a criminal record, contact Project Sentinel. Know your rights.